am Dr. R.K. Shrivastava. I am working as consultant and professor at Safdarjung Hospital and VMMC College, New Delhi. I want to inform you that if you want to pursue plastic surgery as a career in your life and as a doctor, then first you have to do intermediate course with biological science, and after intermediate you should be at least of 17 years of age, and only after that you can appear for entrance examination for MBBS. You have to do MBBS first, and for that entrance examination is held at all India basis, and after succeeding in that you will be provided according to your merit the medical college. You have to pursue the MBBS degree. Then after completing your MBBS degree, 1 year internship is to be done, which is hands on training in the hospital after gaining the theoretical knowledge. After completing the MBBS, you have to do MD or MS, which is a postgraduate degree, if you want to pursue as a medical doctor or as a surgical doctor in your career. If you want to pursue plastic surgery as your career, then after MS in general surgery, you have to again appear in entrance examination for plastic surgery, and after gaining the entrance in plastic surgery course, which is a 3 years course, you have to work in the hospital, in the wards, under the supervision of your supervisors, and you have to treat and take training in treatment and gain knowledge about burns, plastic surgery as such, and the maxillofacial surgery and different trauma. As a plastic surgeon, you have to pursue the course of treating the traumatic patients, and basically you should be able to cover any wound. The word plasty is a Greek word which means to make, to constitute the thing. So, in plastic surgery, everything is taught towards healing of the wound. After doing plastic surgery, you can pursue your career in different sub branches like aesthetic plastic surgeon, reconstructive surgeon, microvascular surgeon, hand surgeon, or craniofacial surgeon. So, the plastic surgery as such is a big branch, and at least in India at present, burn, maxillofacial surgery, trauma and aesthetic surgery all are accumulated in one word as plastic surgery. After gaining the degree in plastic surgery, there is much scope nowadays in Indian government services and in private also. But if you want to go abroad, you have to first look into that whether your Indian degree is recognized in that country or not. Like in Gulfs, the Indian degree is recognized, but in America this degree is not recognized. They recognize you only at your MBBS level, that too after passing your and qualifying in their qualification exams. In Europe, some countries recognize and some countries do not recognize your degree. So, if you want to pursue that career in abroad, then you have to clear the qualification degree of that country.